In this video, I want to show you how I make this geometric wood art out of some scraps. So I have some 2x6s laying around, so I'm going to be using those. I'm going to rip them down to about 1/4 of an inch. I'm using a MicroJig push stick as well, and a zero clearance insert on my table saw. So be very careful when you're doing all of this. Once I have all my strips cut, I'm going to set my miter saw to 45 degrees. Double check that it's set at 45. If you're off a little bit, you'll definitely notice. I'm going to add a zero clearance piece on the back of my miter saw to prevent any kickback and or tear out. Set up a stop block and make a bunch of repeated cuts. Once I have all those cut, I'm using some Minwax water-based stains, some colors that I chose, or I'll link those in the description. Then I'm setting up my X here because this is going to determine the rest of the piece, so I want to make sure that's really square. And then I'm gluing and pinning everything to a 3/4 inch plywood backer. I'm not using a ton of pin nails, but just on like the ends to kind of hold everything in. The wood glue is plenty. I'm using my track saw to cut the excess off of the sides. And then I'm cutting the border pieces now. So again, be careful. Make sure you have a zero clearance insert on your table saw and a good push stick. This can definitely be dangerous. Then I'm going to wood glue, and then I'm going to use some Starbond CA glue. It just kind of instantly bonds it, but you can just use pin nails or brad nails as well. Then I put the top and bottom pieces on, and then I cut the sides so I don't have to measure those pieces. So the only pieces I'll have to measure are these. And then again, I'm using wood glue and Starbond super glue, CA glue, but you don't need to use that. And then there you have it, a really cool new piece of art for your wall.